Hello children, today we are going to see exercise 11.1 sum number 1. Express each of the following percents as fractions in the simplest form. So some numbers are given in percentage, we have to convert it into fraction in the simplest form. Okay, let's see the first sum, 45 percentage. To convert from percentage to fraction, what we have to do is just divide it by 100. Actually, what is percentage? It's out of 100, right? So we are going to write as it is. 45 by 100, and now it is in the fraction form. This we want it in the simplest form, so we have to simplify it. Both will go in 5 tables, so keep the 5 table in the mind, and when it comes you have to write here. 45 when it comes in 5 table is 9s are 5 9s are 45. Okay, now first we have to choose two numbers. 10 when it comes in 5 table is 2s are, and the 0 we have to bring it down as it is. So the fraction form in the simplest form is 9 by 20, and that is the answer here. Now the second sum is 0.25 percentage. So to convert from percentage to fraction you have to divide it by 100, right? So 0.25 by 100. We want it in fraction form in the simplest form. So first of all we have to remove this decimal point. To remove this decimal point, what you have to do is you have to bring this decimal point to the front of that number. If we bring that decimal point to the front of that number, it will be removed. For any whole numbers, it means that there is a decimal point in the front and we will not put that decimal point. If we want to write a whole number 5, it means that there is a decimal point here and we won't put that decimal point there. So like the same way, if we bring this decimal point to the front, it will be removed. We need not put the decimal point there. So that we have to do it here now. So to bring this decimal point to the front, what we have to do is we have to multiply by 100. The same 100 we have to multiply in the denominator also, so that the value will not be changed. The same value will be there. Okay, now when we multiply by 100, the decimal point will come forward 2 numbers. As there are 2 zeros, the decimal point will be moved 2 numbers to the front. So it will become 25, and the before 0 also we need not write, because if 0 comes before any number there is no value for that 0, so we will not write that. So 25 by 100 into 100 is 1 and 4 zeros, here 2 zeros and here 2 zeros, so 10,000. Okay, now we have to simplify in 5 table. Both will go in 5 tables, so 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, and then this 0 and this 0 and this 0 should be brought down. Again it will go in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. First we can't choose one number, so choose two numbers. 5 4s are 20, and this 0 and this again another 0. So the answer here is 1 by 400 is our fraction form in the simplest form. Now 150 percentage, we have to convert it into fraction in the simplest form. So 150 by 100. Now we wanted to simplify it, so we can cut one zeros. Now we can simplify in 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 3 by 2, and that is the simplest form. We can't simplify it more than this in any other common table. So the answer is 3 by 2. So now the given number is in a mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. Then only we can convert from percentage to fraction. So first when we want to convert it mixed fraction into improper fraction, we have to multiply this 2 and add this and write it in the numerator. So 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25 by this denominator should be written down as denominator, and this much percentage. We are going to, hereafter only we are going to convert this percentage to fraction form. So now to convert this percentage to fraction form, we have to divide it by 100. So 25 by 4, and in the denominator you have to write this 100. We are dividing it by 100, so the 100 should be written in the denominator. Now we can simplify it. 25 and 100 will go in 25 table. 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100. So this is equal to 1 by 16 is our answer in the simplest form. Let's see the next sum. Express each of the following fraction as percent. Now we want to convert the fraction form to percent. So we want to multiply by 100. If we want to convert from percent to fraction, you have to divide it by 100. When it is in the reverse process, like when we want to convert from fraction to percent, you have to multiply by 100. That's all. So 3 by 4 into 100 percentage. When we multiply by 100, the answer we get is the percentage. That's all. So this is equal to, now we have to simplify here. 104 will go in 4 table. 4 ones are 4. Now 4 twos are 8. After remaining 2 we have to give it 4 fives are 20. That's all. When we get 1 in the denominator, we have simplified. So the answer here is, we have to multiply the numerators and write it here. 3 into 25 is 75 percentage. That's all. See, the next fraction is 53 by 100. So what we have to do? We have to multiply by 100 to get the percentage value. That is equal to 100 and 100 will get cancelled. So the answer is 53 percentage. See, now the given fraction is in mixed fraction. First we have to convert it into improper fraction, and then only we can convert into percentage. So how to convert from a mixed fraction to improper fraction is, you have to multiply this and this, and then you have to add with the numerator and write it in the numerator. That is 1 5s are 5 plus 3 is 8. By the denominator we have to write it in the denominator. That's all. So now it was converted into improper fraction. To convert into percentage, you have to just multiply by 100 and that much percentage. That's all. Now 5 and 100 will get simplified in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and the 0 should be brought up. Now when we get 1 in the denominator, the simplification was completed. Now we have to multiply the numerators and write it as an answer. 8 into 20 is 160 percentage. That's all. See, the next sum is 7 by 20 percentage. So now 7 by 20 into 100. If it is in mixed fraction, compulsorily we have to convert it into improper fraction, and then only we have to convert into percentage. But now it is in the fraction only, like proper fraction. Whatever it is, proper fraction or improper fraction, I can just multiply by 100 and convert it into percentage. So this is equal to 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Now we can simplify it in 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. That's all. When we get 1 in the denominator, the simplification was over. Now we have to multiply the numerators and write it as the answer. So 7 fives are 35 percentage. That's all. Thanks for watching, children.
Contact 944 540 9416.